guys, Brian here. Welcome back to this old barn shop. Thought I'd probably get some questions about how I got this siding put up here. You know, we're 16 feet inside plus the foundation, so some of this is like 20 feet outside just about. So thought I'd show you. We're using the system of ladders and jacks. Didn't have enough to do the whole length of the building at one time, so once I got up there as high as I could reach off these extension ladders, I went ahead and set up these jacks on the ladders. Just hold out here, and got these stages borrowed from a buddy. He wasn't using them, so one of them's mine, one of them's his, so I was able to put up two stages anyway off the ladders. And one of these is my 40-foot ladder, and the other one's his 16-foot ladder, broke down in order to build these stages. So anyway, this is it. Got the wall up on this section, so we got to do the rest of it down through here now. I got to take all these ladders and jacks down and move them down to the other end of the wall and set them back up and get up there and finish out the wall. Starting on the end here. Yeah, nothing goes to waste around here. I use my scrap lumber cut-offs in the back, and the cut-off pieces off the siding. It's all going to fill in this door gap, and then it'll start going across up there. The sheet will be over the door. So I've got the door in. We've got it attached to the steel, so the outside wall is attached, at least on this end, to the steel, top and bottom, all the way through. But having a wall is nice. You really notice how tall it is in here now. It's a building I'm not used to being in, unless I'm in a Lowe's or Walmart or something. Buildings that got 16-foot walls in them inside, so that's a little bit different. But I guess I'm gonna get some just wire, screen door wire, and put up there along the top of that wall to keep birds and stuff from coming over the top and getting up into the loft part. Of course, all this will have the 2x10s laying on those supports, and then there'll be plywood attached to the bottom with the insulation on the top eventually. But we can get to that later. There it is. That's what it's looking like. So thanks for watching, and thanks for subscribing. Some of you may have noticed there's some commercials on the channel now. I mainly did that just to see how if it picked up a bunch of subscribers, because I've kind of thought that YouTube, if you're not a monetized channel, they throw you at the bottom of all the searches because they're not making any money off of it, so they kind of hide your channel. So I thought I'd do that and just see if it picked up a bunch of subscribers and how that worked. And normally I get about 5 a day maybe, and since I did that last week, I've probably picked up like 100. So maybe there's something to that. I'll just see what it does. If it doesn't make a lot of difference, I'll just take it back off, because the money is not that big a deal. You know, $5 a month, it doesn't amount to much to me. So we'll see. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and tell your friends, and they can stop by and see what's going on.